uy, masarap to. So it tasted the same like yung favorite na pinupuntahan kong milk tea sa Makati. January 2023, and I had a meeting with the marketing. So, after that one, January, medyo hindi pa ako ready. And then, I get back to them last July. So, from July, and then until now, sabi ko, sige, i-push na natin to.
So, this is salted caramel cheesecake. Masarap siya. Kasi yung cheese niya is very exact lang. It's not too milky and it's not too sugary. So it's really nice.
I'm a regular client of Lucky Boba. Masarap po siya, tapos mura pa. At hindi siya ganong matamis kagaya ng mga ibang milk tea. Thank you!
Flavor nito is red velvet, and for this rate, 10 out of 10 for the red velvet milk tea.
The CEOs and the managers of the Lucky Boba are helpful naman talaga with the planning process. So why I like Lucky Boba aside from all other milk teas is that Lucky Boba is so affordable and it's authentic Taiwanese milk tea. So I'm inviting everyone to come and visit our shop here at SM North The Block beside UV Express Terminal. Thank you! See you!